YouTube? It's your girl Kaylaabby, and you're gonna watch me install this brown unit wig. Now guys, I have been exploring with different lace bond sprays, and I can honestly say that Bellatique is my favorite. Like, whether it's the white can or the black can, Bellatique always gets the job done. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing the name right, but y'all see the can in my hand. Like, this always eats down. Like, I use this for everything. This is the most used item I've used in this whole entire video. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was definitely scared about trying this color. I am just one of those girlies that know which colors are gonna look good on me, and I'm just skeptical about other colors. Like, I know brown looks good on other people, but I didn't think brown was gonna look good on me. I thought it was gonna wash me out, honestly, but just keep watching. Y'all gonna see.
Holding me closer than we've ever been before.
So guys, my wax stick wound up breaking in half. So right here, I'm taking my edge brush, dipping it in my wax stick, and just trying to get my unit as flat as possible, okay? Y'all know hard times calls for desperate measures, or desperate measures call for hard times. Y'all know how the saying go.
I want you off my mind. Holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream. You're here with me. Boy, you don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night. I wanna love you.
Now, somewhere around this part, my phone did die, so I wound up doing my edges off camera, but I still wanted to show you guys this bomb finishing result. Boom! Look, I look so tea. I look so good. Like, I did not expect for this color to pop and eat like this. This is a 30-inch unit from Cute Bean Hair. I repeat, Cute Bean Hair. I definitely would recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if y'all feeling this color, how I'm feeling this color. Bye!